In today's video, I will walk you through how to open a CashPlus account in Vanguard. To get started, go to Vanguard's website. Once you're on the site, look for the Products and Services section. Under Accounts and Plans, select CashPlus. This will take you to the CashPlus account page. Here, you can view the current APY that is being offered. Always check the current APY displayed before moving forward. After reviewing the information on the page, click Open a CashPlus account. You are presented with two options here. For this, we will choose I'm new to Vanguard. The page will begin loading and will take you to the account selection area. Next, choose the type of CashPlus account you want to open. You will see the option for an individual CashPlus account, which is for a single owner. You may also see a joint CashPlus account, which is owned by two people. Select the account type that matches your preference and Open Now. After making your selection, you will then be taken to the next page where you will need to enter your personal information. Fill in the required fields, including your legal first name, last name, suffix if applicable, email address, date of birth, citizenship information, social security number, and gender. After entering all required information, click Continue. You must complete the required fields before you can move forward. On the following pages, continue providing any additional information that is requested. Complete each section by entering your information as prompted. Once you have finished entering all required details and completed the application process, your CashPlus account application will be submitted. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps and completing the required information, you can open a CashPlus account with Vanguard.